Hi everyone, this is a video about this Rode Wireless Go that everyone is so happy about having them in their system. And I just noticed that my videos, when I'm watching it back on YouTube, it has to go two notches up in order to get to the normal level of other YouTube videos. And because of that, I thought, okay, everyone talking about this and they are saying good things. I thought, okay, let's go and get this and see what is it about. So in this case, I bought this brand new, and normal price of this is it goes from 140 up to 200 and something pounds. Um, but I purchased this under 120 pounds. So let's see what is the problem. The problem that I'm having with this is rather disappointing, but I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So here are everything out of the box, and we just receive the transmitter and receiver with the screen on and two wind cover and two USB Type C cables for charging and 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRS for your DSLR cameras. And then you have this pouch that you can store some essentials, not these because it's so small in comparison to size. So it is not bad. But because I wanted this to work so much that I have gone ahead and bought this one as well. This one, the price minimum is £12, and some people they are selling this for £20. And then again, I have purchased something else that I show you that I think is necessary to connect this to your mobile phone or whatever that you are intending to. And I have purchased this TRSS to TRS 3.5 millimeters jack. That is really good. You can attach your maybe your uh, microphones, lavalier microphones with 4 pins to the receiver. Okay, so now let's talk about what is the problem. I get everything out of here and we concentrate on the receiver more, because this is not an unboxing, this is not a test or something of that sense. It's just about the problem that I'm facing with the receiver. Anyhow, I turned it on by pressing this button. You can turn it on, and then you have the same button on your transmitter. You just press that, you turn that on, and immediately both of them, they are paired and they are all good. So you have one button here that we don't have anything to do with this button. This is the link button, and then the other one is the decibel. Just look at this. Every time that you press this, it has to cycle between 0 and -6 and -12 decibel. And when you press this, I'm pressing it, maybe you hear it, but nothing changes. And I have contacted the Rode and their distributor in UK, and they are yet to get in touch with me. And sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. And as you see now, it's at 0 decibel, and no matter how many times you can hear it, I press it, nothing changes. So I hope you don't get this problem with your Rode, and this is brand new out of the box. Nothing happened to this. I just opened it, and then when I tested it, this had happened. If you know how to fix this, I doubt it, because whatever it is the mechanic or electronics inside that is causing this. And it's not, I tried to reset it, I tried many things, but it didn't work. Anyhow, I hope you like this video and find it useful. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.